The artifacts highlighted for Standard 3 demonstrate how I am able to facilitate learning by creating, using, evaluating, and managing effective learning environments. In EdTech 502, I created a web quest that demonstrates this standard. In the web quest, students are asked to be astronauts traveling to space. Utilizing these resources provided, their job is to research a planet of their choice with a group and then present their findings to the class. By using the right resources and creating an engaging space travel activity for students, meaningful learning happens. The technological resources that I utilized in the creation of this website were selected so that my students could be successful independently and be in control of their own learning. I also wanted to make sure that my students were able to take information from multiple sites and create their own meaning from it, creating their own understanding of the material and sharing it with others, key elements of connectivism. I would also like to highlight two other websites that I created in EdTech 502. One teaches students about NetEquit. NetEquit refers to an unofficial set of guidelines for communication over the internet through email, chats, and discussion posts. NetEquit is a set of rules that students should follow to exhibit proper behavior when using the internet. It is important that they are safe, kind, respectful, and responsible internet users during school, as well as after school to avoid problems like cyberbullying. The other is a copyright scavenger hunt created for students to explore a variety of different websites that will teach them about the basics of copyright, fair use, and plagiarism. With the knowledge of rules for communicating over the internet and how to accurately and ethically use the information learned from the internet, students will be prepared to take on the responsibility that comes with using technology and Web 2.0 tools. In EdTech 541, Integrating Technology into Classroom Curriculum, we had the opportunity to create a resource bank of assistive and adaptive technologies that could be implemented to meet the needs of students with cognitive, physical, and sensory difficulties, as well as at-risk students and talented and gifted students. By engaging in this process, it brought to light the needs of students and how we can meet those needs using Web 2.0 tools. Throughout this program, I've had several opportunities to demonstrate my knowledge and skills surrounding AECT Standard 3. Because of this program, I've created learning activities that meet the needs of my students, as well as provide them with tools to make them successful in their learning. Not only this, but I've had the opportunity to share my knowledge with other teachers and pass on that knowledge, making sure that the needs of all students, no matter what classroom, are being met. In doing these things, effective and supporting learning environments have been created.